It's that time again, guys, and I'm about to show you the transparent results that I've been getting with the crypto bots I've been using on the Cornix platform. But guys, please remember, there is thousands of bots you can use. The one that I have been using, I have the full configuration for. You can get it if you hit that link down below in the Telegram. I'm going to talk you all the way through it. I will also get a slight commission when you join the Cornix platform, okay? And that's what I get for referring you. And I have an incredible VIP signals group that I joined that I see loads of people making money from it. So I decided to do it too. And guess what? It was right. I've been making so much money from over 30 VIP signal groups for one fee of $700 for a lifetime. Again, I will get a slight commission for referring you there, but it was either that or you weren't going to make money anyway. So guys, let me get into showing you the actual results for today. So you can see on my portfolio, guys, all right? Let me just move my face to the left a little bit. As we know, there's going to be important information coming through. So you can see on here, all right, I have 3 different bots, but I want to show you the one that I've been tracking every single day on this channel. So I started with $5,000 on the 26th of February. You can actually see it here. If I go to the weekly, we're up 11.7%. But let me go to the month so we can actually show you the date I started. You can see here, all right? All the way from Feb, I joined on the 26th. I put $5,000 in. Instantly, we started to see growth. We saw a little dips because, guys, this does lose. All right, it does lose. Just the majority of the time, it wins. So the 26th I started, and every week I've been making crazy, crazy results. Now, the worst thing you can do, and we've had nearly over 30 people join already this week, the worst thing you could do is check this every day. Because if you check this every day, look at this. You would have woke up this day and gone, oh my God, how dare they tell me this? Oh my God, we've lost again. Oh my God, we've lost it. Guys, don't worry about it. Look at this. From when I started at 5,000, we're now at 7,892. This is a long-term retirement plan. All right, it's incredible. And if I add my other bots in there, I actually started these as well with 5,000. Now, you can see I have a lot of trades open. If I go to my dashboard, I have a lot of trades open. So once these close, we will see more of a profit, you know, whether they lose or whether they win. We'll start to see that profit go up. And the reason it looks like you can see all these that are actually in a bit of a drawdown, it just means we've multiple entered. So let me click on one and show you what I'm talking about. So when this opens up, look, we put a trade on, okay? We then took an entry. We took a second entry. By the time this algorithm takes the last entry and your full take profit, the majority of the time, and I'm talking about 99.9% of the time, you will be in a heavy, heavy profit. Now, I don't know how else to explain this to you so you believe me other than showing you this. I'm going to look at the trades. We have all this money in. 165, 47, 157. All this money is invested right now into trades. But look, this happens every day. And if you go to the closed trades on here, okay, these are my closed trades, the majority of them will always close in profit. All right, so don't look at what the trade is doing. It doesn't matter because the algorithm has analyzed the market and it's decided that it's time to get in. Whether it's going to go down or up, it doesn't matter because the end goal will the majority of the time be profit. The last time, guys, we lost a trade on this was the 5th of March, and it was only $4. It's absolutely insane, guys. All right, so when the guys that are involved right now, trust the process. Okay, don't freak out. Check it again in a week or a month's time. You're going to be incredibly impressed by the profit. The guys that are getting involved very, very soon, this is the algorithm. It wins, it loses, but the majority of the time, guys, it's going to make you a lot of money. Now, I want to say this. If you hit the link down below, I will be able to give you the full configuration. I'll actually tell you the exact bot, the free bots that I'm using. If you decide to just hit the Cornix list, yes, I'll get an affiliation amount. But if you just go on your own, it's not on me. Okay, I actually am not a financial advisor. I'm purely doing this for informational purposes only. I'm a content creator who likes investing into crypto projects. And this is the one that's actually made me money out of the millions that I've got into. A lot of them I've lost. A lot of them I don't trust. This one, I trust that much that I put my face on it and I'm putting it out to the world every single day. I'm keeping accountable by showing you guys this every single day. If you've watched this and you got this far and you decide not to get involved, that's on you, okay? If you decide to get involved, I can't wait to show you the profit you're going to have tomorrow. Once these trades close, I'm going to be super, super excited again. So, guys, let me see you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit them links down below. Come and speak to me, and let me get you fully set up.